This little device adds a cold shoe mount point to a DJI action camera. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $14. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So what we get is a little piece of, I think it's plastic, some type of cast resin, with some aluminum clips that are spring-loaded here. And this guy here will attach to a DJI action cam, and it has a cold shoe on it. And so you can use this to attach accessories that have cold shoes, something like this. And it's a little loose as you slide through, and it'll slide all the way through, so whatever accessory you have needs to have some type of a locking ring like this to kind of grab onto it. So you put that thing on, and you can tighten it up, and now you have an accessory light mounted to your action cam. Now typically, you probably wouldn't use it on the only mounting point of your action cam. You'd probably use the DJI cage here. So the DJI cage adds this secondary mounting point, and now you can have a handle or an attachment point and your accessory attached to it. And so this guy kind of solves one of the problems I've had with the DJI cage, which is there's no cold shoe, mounting point on it. And so you click this on, and now you can mount a microphone or a light off to the side. So that's what it does. It fits very well. It's, attaches correctly to this guy, attaches correctly to this guy. I guess my only note is that you can slide something in both ends, and maybe it would be better to have it so it slides in and just, hits a stop. And it's definitely not tight, so you're definitely going to have, whatever accessory you have, definitely needs something that grips that mounting point. So it won't work with like a flash unit that's expecting the camera to kind of have, spring-loaded things inside. You need something that will grip onto that mounting point. But assuming your accessory has that, it works pretty darn well.